Welcome to Homework Lib.
Chapter 14, question 92. You perform a series of experiments for the reaction A goes to B and C, and find that the rate law has a form rate K A to the power of X. Now determine the X for each of the following cases. A, there is no rate change when A initial is tripled. So this means K for K A to the power of X is the first case, and K 3A to the power of X is, let's say, a number like 10. So it means that this, even though we multiply this by 3 to the power of X, this is what it means. This is still going to be 10. So this X has to be 0. So this term is going to be 1. So for A, our X is going to be 0. What about B? K, A is now tripled. 3A to the power of X, and the rate is increased by a factor of 9. Let's say this is going to be 9 times 10. And at first, what we had was Ka to the power of X. That's going to be equal to 10. So if I again divide these two, what we're going to have is 3 to the power of X equals to 9. So in our case over here, X would be equal to 2. 3 to the square is going to be 9. So for part C, let's say K, when A is doubled, the rate increases by a factor of 8. Let's say 8 times 10. Again, this 10 is just a number that I put for being able to compare. You can put any value, it doesn't matter. You don't even need to use this a value over here. And for the first case, K A to the power of X is going to be 10. So if we divide these two, what we're going to get is 2 to the power of X equals to 8. So 2 to the power of what gives us 8? 3 would be equal to X. 2 to the power of 3 would be X. So the reaction is in third order at part C, second order at part B, and zeroth order at part A.